Good morning, students. As we have discussed in the previous lecture, velocity of image by plane mirror. So yesterday we have discussed one concept, that is the mirror is stationary and object is moving. When object is moving, so we have discussed in the previous lecture that this is the mirror. Now the object is moving in this direction with a velocity u meter per second. Then image will move in this direction with u meter per second. Now when object is moving and image is moving, relative velocity we have calculated. Relative velocity of image with respect to object is 2u. This is yesterday we have discussed. And also another case also we have discussed that, for example, when object is moving like that with u meter per second by making an angle theta, then we are going to resolve this one as u cos theta and this one as u sin theta. Okay, similarly the image also, yesterday we have discussed the concepts and completed. Now we are going to discuss the other case, second case, that is object stationary and mirror moves. Then what is the velocity of the image? That is what we have to calculate. Here object is stationary, velocity of the object is 0, but mirror is moving, and mirror is moving, then what is the velocity of image? That is we are going to discuss. Now again, here mirror is there, this is mirror. Now here an object is there. Now the object now this is the image, or let us extend it, object, image also extended. Now this is the image. Now this is the object and that is the image. The object distance means distance between object and mirror. Let it be x. When object distance is x, as per the properties of the mirror, image distance also will be x. Object distance is x and image distance is x. Now I want what is the distance between object and image. That is equal to 2x. Means the distance between object and image, from here to here it is x. So object distance is equal to image distance. So here it is x and here it is x. Distance between object to image is nothing but 2x. This is mirror, when mirror is here. But what happened, the mirror has moved, it means it has shifted in this direction. This is the first position of the mirror. Now this is the second position of the mirror. This is second position. To what distance it has moved? It has moved to a distance of y meters. It has moved to a distance of y meters. Means it has moved to a distance of y meters with a velocity u meter per second. With a velocity u meter per second. So this is the direction of the mirror. Mirror is moving in this direction with what velocity? U meter per second. And how much it has shifted from its first position? It has shifted to a distance of y meters from its first position. So it has shifted to a distance of y meters from its first position with a velocity u meter per second. Then what happens? Now again, when mirror is moved to y distance, now again I want to calculate the object distance. What is object distance again? Distance between object and mirror. Now this is the final position of the mirror. Now object is here, object is stationary. Now how much distance? First it was x, now it has shifted to y. Then what is this distance? This distance is nothing but x minus y. So what is x minus y here? X minus y is the distance between the object and final position of the mirror. X minus y is the distance between the object and final position of the mirror. So object distance, what is object distance? X minus y. When object distance is x minus y, then what is image distance? X minus y, no doubt, because object distance equal to image distance. So I can say from here it will be x minus y. Now this is the image. So here you see here, when a mirror is shifted to a distance of y with a velocity u, object distance is x minus y. When object distance is x minus y, then what is image distance? X minus y. Means the image also shifted from this point to this point. Image is shifted from this point. So what is image first? When mirror is at first position, image is I. When mirror is at second position, image is I dash. When mirror is at first position, image is I. When mirror is at second position, image is I dash. Then what I have to do now? Again I want to calculate what is the distance between object and image now. In the second case, this is for first position, this is for second position. Same if I calculate distance between object and image, again what it will be? So this is object distance, and from here it is image distance. X minus y plus x minus y, x minus y plus x minus y. It is what it is going to become. It is going to become 2x minus 2y. So it is going to be 2x minus 2y. So from here to here, this distance is 2x minus 2y. This is what you should understand, 2x minus 2y. Now what you should understand here is object to image final distance. This is the image final position. Now I want to give the relation between these two. In the first position, what is the objective distance between object to image? 2x. Final position 2x minus 2y. Then what is this distance? I want to calculate this distance. This is the question mark. Then what you do? Simply, now we can say, then what is this distance? I can say it is now this shift, that is the distance traveled by the image from its first position to its final position. That shift I want. What is the distance traveled by the image from its first position to its final position? Then I am going to calculate, it is 2x minus 2y. Then what it is going to be? 2x minus 2y. Then it is going to be 2y, because this is going to be cancelled. So this is the image. This is the image shift. What I can say, this is image shift. Now you see here, image shift is equal to 2y. What is y here? Again, you should understand what is y here. Y is the distance traveled by the mirror from its first position to its final position. Image, that is the, what is y here? Y is the distance traveled by the mirror from its first position to, so when mirror takes y displacement, image is taking 2y displacement, simple. When mirror takes y displacement, image is taking 2y. Okay, so the image shift we can take 2y, very simple. Means if the mirror has moved to 10 meters, image is going to move 2 into 10, 20 meters. This is, now again, when the mirror moves simultaneously, image also moves. Means both happens in the same time. So both happens in the same time. When mirror is moving in this direction, image also moves in this direction. Both happens in same time. So if we differentiate the displacement with respect to the time, then what we are going to get? If we differentiate, then we are going to get velocity. So I can say that now 2y, if I differentiate, this is d by, now I am going to, if I differentiate that one, then I am going to get the velocity. If I differentiate the displacement. So finally what I can say here, the velocity of image is equal to the 2 into velocity of mirror. Velocity of image is equal to 2 into velocity of mirror. This is what you should understand, because this is the image shift with respect to time. Okay, and if I differentiate that one, then what I am going to get? Velocity of image is equal to 2 into velocity of the mirror. For example, how you have to understand this one is, mirror is moving with 10 meter per second. Mirror is moving with 10 meter per second towards an object. Mirror is moving with 10 meter per second towards an object. Then what is the velocity of image? What is the velocity of image? Velocity of the image is equal to 2 into velocity of mirror. What is velocity of mirror? So velocity of the mirror is 10 meter per second. Then what is the velocity of image? Velocity of the image is equal to 2 into velocity of mirror, that is 10, that is equal to 20 meter per second. Very simple. So mirror is moving with 10 meter per second, then what is the velocity of the image? Simple question. Then we can say that is equal to 20 meter per second. Okay, so hope you understood this one. This is another very simple one. Whenever you are calculating, this is the relation. So when object is stationary, mirror is moving, velocity of the image is equal to 2 into velocity of the mirror. So when you know the velocity of the mirror is 10 meter per second, then what is the velocity of the image? Means 2 into velocity of the mirror. Simple. This is how you have to understand this one. So we have seen finally an object is here, it is at a distance x and image is at a distance x. Now mirror is moved at y, then what is this one? X minus y. Here also it is x minus y, and we are going to get new position of the image, that is I dash. Now what is the distance between I and I dash? Is nothing but 2y. This is, so this distance, this is what we are calculating, it is going to be 2y. This is what we have discussed, and from there we have discussed that velocity of image is equal to the 2 into velocity of mirror. This is the final. So this distance is nothing but 2y. If it is y, then it is going to be 2y, simply. Now we are going to discuss another one, that is relation between the velocity of the image object and the image. In other words, whenever we are calculating another case also we can discuss. When object is moving and mirror is also moving, in that case also we can calculate. Now this is mirror. Image. Of course, this is object. Now, if I think this is the origin O, image is at a distance of x. Object is also at a distance of x. Okay, if I take this is positive and this is negative, I can say that x coordinate of image with respect to the mirror, from mirror, what is its x coordinate? Is x is equal to minus x coordinate of object with respect to the mirror. Very simple. Means what I can say, this object is at a distance of x with respect to the mirror. This image is at a distance of x with respect to the mirror. So we can say x coordinate of image with respect to mirror. This is x coordinate of object with respect to mirror. But why we have used minus here? Because both are in opposite direction. Image we are moving, okay, like this, positive, and object. This is what I can say. So this is along x-axis. All we are discussing along x-axis. Now I want to say, if I differentiate it with respect to the time, like dx by dt, then what I'm going to get? I'm going to get velocity. If I differentiate this with respect to the time, I'm going to get velocity, no doubt in that. So I can write this one? I can write this one as, if I differentiate this one, what I'm going to write? I'm going to write as velocity of image with respect to mirror is equal to velocity of object with respect to mirror. Of course, I can put minus again, because when you differentiate it with respect to time, when you are differentiating a vector, again you are going to get a vector, no doubt in that. So velocity of image with respect to the mirror is equal to the velocity of object with respect to the mirror. Means if it is moving in 10 meter per second, it also moves with 10 meter per second. If the object is moving like that, image will move like this. If object is moving like that, image will move like that. So we can say that these both are equal and opposite. So VIM is equal to minus. So minus VOM. What is this? Velocity of image with respect to mirror is equal to velocity of object. So here we can say this is the x coordinate of image with respect to the mirror. It is at a distance of x. It is at a distance of x. Okay, this is object distance and this is image distance. Now whenever I am taking relative velocity, if I say velocity of AB is nothing but, relative velocity of AB is nothing but velocity of A minus velocity of B. Velocity of A minus velocity of B. Relative velocity of AB is nothing but velocity of AB is equal to velocity of A minus velocity of B. This is what I can say, Vm. Now in that notation I can write velocity of Im nothing but velocity of image minus velocity of mirror is equal to minus velocity of object minus velocity of mirror. Simple. So Vim I can write as Vi minus Vm is equal to minus, what minus is there here, minus Vo minus Vm. Very simple, Vi minus Vm. This is what I can write. So whenever I am noting only one subscript here, always you understand when I write here, that is relative velocity of A means velocity of A with respect to B. So I can write it as velocity of A minus velocity of B. So when you come to this point, what you should understand, I am calculating, I am seeing every parameter with respect to the ground only. That is what you should understand. When I have written nothing here, you should understand it is with respect to G, it is also with respect to ground, it is also with respect to ground, it is also with respect to ground. Now if I minus velocity of object with respect to ground, the minus minus, then it is going to become velocity of mirror with respect to ground. This is what I can say. This is the final one. Now here minus Vmg is there and here plus Vmg is there. I will take on that side. Then what I am going to take is minus Vmg and plus Vmg. It becomes 2 Vmg is equal to, if I bring on that side, then what I am going to get? Velocity of image with respect to ground. I have taken this one to here, then it becomes 2 Vmg and it is going to come this side. If it comes this side, then it is going to be plus Vog. I want only velocity of mirror with respect to ground. Then what you can calculate? Then velocity of mirror with respect to ground, it is going to be velocity of image plus velocity of object with respect to ground by 2. This is what you can understand when you are calculating this one. This is relative velocity of image. So we can calculate. This is all along x-axis I am calculating. Okay, along the x-axis, all these equations we are going to get. Now finally you remember this equation, this one and this one. Now here one question I will ask you. One question, very simple. You see here, object moving with a velocity of 5 meter per second. Object moving with a velocity of 5 meter means it is moving in this direction. Object is moving in this direction. Okay, object is moving in this direction. Mirror is moving in this direction. This is a mirror moving in this direction with, for example, 1 meter per second. Mirror is moving in this direction with 1 meter per second. Object is moving in this direction with 1 meter per second. Now calculate the velocity of image. This is the question. What is the velocity of image? What is the velocity of image? Now you see here. What is the velocity of image? You know the formula? Here in this condition you see object is moving, mirror is moving. Then what is the velocity of image? Simple. Object is moving in this direction, mirror is also moving. Means this is the third case. What we can say, both are moving. Mirror is moving and object is moving. Then what happens to the velocity of the image? Then what I can calculate? This one you take velocity of image with respect to ground minus velocity of mirror with respect to ground is equal to, this one I can write as velocity of mirror with respect to ground, velocity of mirror with respect to ground minus velocity of object with respect to ground. This is the formula. Same formula I have written here. This formula I have written. Vig minus Vmg is equal to Vmg minus Vog. Then Vi is equal to Vi minus, I don't know what is Vi. This is Vm. Do you know the value of Vm, velocity of mirror? Velocity of mirror is 1 meter per second, but it is moving in this direction, minus I. it is moving in this direction, negative axis, minus. So it is going to be minus 1. So what is the velocity of mirror? It is moving in this direction, towards left. Towards left means it is 1 meter per second, means if we take direction, then it is going to be minus 1. Then again, velocity of mirror, again, here also velocity of mirror, again it is moving in this direction, minus 1, minus. What is velocity of object? This is velocity of object. Object is moving 5 meter per second, like this, towards right. Towards right it is moving. So it is going to be 5. Then it is